Hey, let me ask you something real. How many times today have you opened Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok just to watch one reel, and suddenly 30 minutes disappeared? Kids watching silly clips, teens stuck on memes, adults scrolling product videos, even older people hooked on shorts now. Reels, shorts, clips, they've become a daily addiction across every age, every country, every platform. But here's what most people don't realize. Behind many of those viral clips, there is no person on camera, no influencer, no face, no voice, just cinematic clips pulling views, followers, traffic, sales, commissions, and some of them are making more money than creators who show their face every day. So why aren't you? Because you think it's hard. Editing, tools, scripts, voiceovers, time, or expensive AI software charging $200 to $500 every month. That ends today. This Christmas, a new shortcut opens up. Introducing Magic Clips AI, a simple AI system that lets anyone build cinematic viral clips in minutes. No camera, no editing, no showing your face, no tech skills. Just type an idea. And Magic Clips AI creates addictive short clips with AI voice, visuals, motion, captions, and music automatically. Create faceless, reels and shorts, baby and animal clips, product review videos, AI avatar promos, catalog and carousel reels, motivation and quote channels, meme and trend clips, perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and Facebook. How it works: log in, enter a keyword, post or sell. Each video for $50 to $500. That's it. Imagine this. While people your age are scrolling for fun, you're creating clips that pull views, traffic, leads, and sales. One clip brings thousands of views. More clips brings followers. Followers brings traffic. Traffic brings money. And here's the biggest opportunity. You don't even need to post yourself. Businesses are desperate for short videos. Agencies are charging hundreds. Creators are outsourcing everything. You can use it for your brand. Sell clips to clients, build a Reels agency, or just ride viral traffic for commissions. And because it's Christmas, this is a one-time launch deal. No monthly bills, no risk, 30-day money-back guarantee. Once this launch ends, this goes monthly. So don't just scroll another reel thinking someone is making money with this. Click below. Get Magic Clips AI. Turn addiction into attention, attention into traffic, traffic into income. This is your moment. Let AI create the clips while you collect the views, sales, and freedom. Magic Clips AI. Create what the world can't stop watching.